Have you ever seen a planet with rings? If you have, then you've probably seen Saturn, the most famous ringed planet in our solar system. Saturn's rings are one of the most spectacular sights in the night sky, and they have fascinated astronomers and stargazers for centuries. But what makes these rings so special, and what else can we learn about this giant planet? Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings. These rings are made up of countless small particles, ranging in size from tiny grains of ice to large chunks of rock. They reflect sunlight, making them visible even from Earth with a good telescope. The rings are divided into several sections, known as ringlets, and each ringlet orbits Saturn at a different speed. This creates a mesmerizing, shimmering effect that is truly a wonder to behold. They look like a giant flat disk around the planet. But did you know that the rings are actually very thin? Despite their vast diameter, the rings are only about 30 feet thick on average. Imagine something as wide as a football field, but only as thick as a few sheets of paper. This incredible thinness is one of the many mysteries that scientists are still trying to understand. Saturn is a gas giant. This means it's made mostly of gas and doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. Instead, Saturn is composed primarily of hydrogen and helium, the same elements that make up the Sun. If you tried to land a spacecraft on Saturn, you would find no solid ground to stand on. Instead, you would sink into its dense atmosphere, which gets thicker and hotter as you go deeper. This means it's made mostly of gas and doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. The lack of a solid surface makes Saturn a very different kind of planet from the rocky worlds we are more familiar with, like Earth, Mars, or Venus. Instead of mountains, valleys, and oceans, Saturn has swirling clouds, powerful storms, and a deep, mysterious interior that scientists are still exploring. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. It orbits the Sun at a distance of about 886 million miles, which is nearly 10 times farther than Earth's distance from the Sun. Because of this great distance, it takes Saturn about 29.5 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun. This means that a single year on Saturn is almost 3 decades long by our standards. It's so big that you could fit over 700 Earths inside. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system, second only to Jupiter. Its diameter is about 72,000 miles, which is more than 9 times the diameter of Earth. This immense size gives Saturn a powerful gravitational pull, which helps to keep its rings and many moons in orbit. Saturn is a very cold planet. Brrr! The average temperature on Saturn is around minus 285 degrees Fahrenheit, which is much colder than any place on Earth. This frigid temperature is due to Saturn's great distance from the Sun, as well as its lack of a solid surface to retain heat. Despite the cold, Saturn's atmosphere is full of dynamic weather patterns, including powerful winds and massive storms that can last for years. But don't worry, even though it's far away, we can still see Saturn from Earth. With a good telescope, you can see Saturn's rings and even some of its largest moons, like Titan and Rhea. Saturn is one of the most popular targets for amateur astronomers, and its bright yellowish appearance makes it easy to spot in the night sky. It looks like a bright yellowish star in the night sky. But unlike a star, Saturn doesn't twinkle. Instead, it shines with a steady light, which is one way to tell it apart from the stars around it. If you have a chance to look at Saturn through a telescope, you'll be treated to one of the most beautiful sights in the solar system. Let's learn more about this fascinating planet. There is so much more to discover about Saturn, from its mysterious interior to its many moons and of course its stunning rings. Whether you're an experienced astronomer or just a curious stargazer, Saturn has something to offer everyone. So grab your telescope and start exploring the wonders of this giant with rings.
Saturn lives in our solar system, a family of planets that orbit the Sun. It's the second largest planet after Jupiter. Saturn is really far from the Sun, much farther than Earth. Because it's so far, Saturn takes a long time to go around the Sun. 1 year on Saturn is like 29 years on Earth. Can you imagine waiting that long for your birthday? Saturn's rings are its most famous feature. They are made up of countless tiny pieces of ice and rock. Imagine a giant ice skating rink in space. Some of these pieces are as small as grains of sand. Others are as big as houses. The rings are incredibly thin, even thinner than a piece of paper. When sunlight reflects off the ice, the rings sparkle and shine. That's why we can see them from Earth.
Saturn wasn't always a giant planet with rings. It was born over 4.5 billion years ago. That's older than the dinosaurs. Back then, our solar system was just a giant cloud of gas and dust. Gravity slowly pulled this cloud together. Over time, the cloud became denser and hotter. Eventually, it formed the Sun and the planets, including Saturn. Saturn is a gas giant, which means it doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. Instead of a solid crust, Saturn is composed almost entirely of gases. This makes it fundamentally different from terrestrial planets like Earth, Mars, or Venus. The lack of a solid surface means that if you tried to land on Saturn, you would simply sink into its dense atmosphere. Saturn's atmosphere is incredibly thick and is made mostly of hydrogen and helium. These two elements are the lightest and most abundant in the universe. The atmosphere is so dense that it creates a beautiful array of cloud layers, each with different compositions and temperatures. These clouds are responsible for the planet's stunning appearance, with bands of different colors and swirling storms. As you go deeper into Saturn, the pressure increases dramatically. The immense pressure causes the hydrogen gas to transition into a liquid state. This liquid hydrogen forms a vast ocean that extends for thousands of kilometers. The deeper you go, the higher the pressure becomes, compressing the gases into a dense liquid form. At even greater depths, the pressure is so extreme that the liquid hydrogen turns into metallic hydrogen. This exotic form of hydrogen conducts electricity and is believed to create Saturn's powerful magnetic field. Imagine an ocean, but instead of water, it's made of metallic hydrogen, a substance that doesn't exist naturally on Earth. Scientists believe that at the very center of Saturn lies a small rocky core. This core is thought to be composed of heavier elements like iron and nickel, surrounded by layers of ice and rock. The core is incredibly dense and hot, with temperatures reaching thousands of degrees Celsius. However, this core is hidden beneath all those layers of gas and liquid, making it impossible to observe directly. The layers of gas and liquid act as a thick veil, concealing the core from our view. Despite this, scientists use indirect methods, such as studying Saturn's gravitational field and magnetic field, to learn more about its mysterious interior.
Saturn plays an important role in our solar system. It's so big that its gravity affects the orbits of other planets and objects. Think of Saturn as a shepherd watching over its flock of sheep. Its gravity helps keep things in order and prevents collisions. Without Saturn, our solar system might be a much more chaotic place. To learn more about Saturn, scientists sent a spacecraft called Cassini to study it. Cassini spent 13 years orbiting Saturn and sending back amazing pictures and data. Thanks to Cassini, we discovered new rings around Saturn. We also learned a lot about its moons, especially Titan. Cassini's mission ended in 2017 when it plunged into Saturn's atmosphere, but the data it collected continues to teach us about this fascinating planet.
The mysteries of Titan, a moon like no other. Titan is Saturn's largest moon, and it's one of the most interesting places in our solar system. This moon is shrouded in a thick, hazy atmosphere that makes it look like a world straight out of science fiction. But Titan is very real, and it holds many secrets waiting to be uncovered. It's the only moon we know of that has a thick atmosphere. This atmosphere is primarily composed of nitrogen, much like Earth's, but it also contains a significant amount of methane. The presence of methane is what makes Titan so unique and intriguing to scientists. Titan's atmosphere is so thick that it rains liquid methane. Can you imagine that? Instead of water, the clouds on Titan are filled with methane, which falls to the surface as rain. This methane rain creates rivers, lakes, and even seas on Titan's surface, forming a hydrological cycle similar to Earth's, but with methane instead of water. Methane is a gas here on Earth, but on Titan, it's cold enough for it to be a liquid. The surface temperature on Titan is a frigid minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit, or minus 179 degrees Celsius. At these temperatures, methane can exist in liquid form, creating an environment that is both alien and fascinating. Scientists believe that Titan might have lakes and rivers of liquid methane on its surface. These bodies of liquid methane are thought to be similar to the lakes and rivers we have on Earth, but they are composed of a substance that is highly flammable here. On Titan, however, The lack of oxygen means that these methane lakes and rivers are stable and do not ignite. Some even think that Titan could potentially support some form of life, although it would be very different from life on Earth. The conditions on Titan are extreme, but life has a way of adapting to harsh environments. Scientists are particularly interested in the possibility of methanogenic life forms, which could use methane in a way similar to how life on Earth uses water. The discovery of such life would revolutionize our understanding of biology and the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. Future missions to Titan aim to explore these possibilities further. The Dragonfly mission, for example, is set to launch in the mid-2020s and will send a rotorcraft to Titan to study its surface and atmosphere in unprecedented detail. This mission could provide us with the answers to many of the questions we have about this mysterious moon. Titan is a world like no other, with its thick atmosphere, methane rain, and potential for life. It challenges our understanding of what a moon can be and offers a glimpse into the diverse possibilities that exist within our solar system. As we continue to explore Titan, we may uncover secrets that could change our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Saturn's many moons, a diverse family. Saturn has over 80 moons. That's a lot of moons. Each moon is unique and has its own story to tell. Some of Saturn's moons are small and icy, others are large and rocky. Some even have volcanoes or geysers that erupt with ice. Studying Saturn's moons helps us understand more about how planets and solar systems form and evolve.
A universe of wonders awaits. Saturn is just one of many amazing planets and objects in our vast universe. There are still so many mysteries to uncover and so much more to explore. By studying space, we learn more about our place in the cosmos. We also discover new technologies and push the boundaries of human knowledge. The universe is full of wonders and it's waiting for us to explore it. Keep looking up. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember Saturn, the ring jewel of our solar system. Let its beauty and mystery inspire you to learn more about space. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never stop looking up.